Hey guys, TheTechOtaku here, and Welp, what the hell, Windows 10 is back after a year. Since there's nothing too stupid to see on Windows 10, this will be a long gone series, until I decided to bring back this series. In case you didn't know about what the hell Windows 10, this is the series where I go through things that was ridiculously wrong with Windows 10. In this installment of What the Hell Windows 10, today's topic was, you already found that out in the title. It is forcing people to use Microsoft Edge when you try to install a different browser. Excuse me, what? I'm 3 days late, but I'm sorry if I'm super duper late. Anyways, this pop-up was actually present on latest 1809 update of Windows 10. Microsoft added a new feature quietly called App Suggestions, which makes this window pop up when you try to install a third-party browser. Let's say Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, for example. It prompts you to try out Edge first before using a different browser. Are you kidding me, Microsoft? The pop-up was powered by Microsoft Store. Like, the pop-up will appear if you launch an installer that was not made by Microsoft. It's as dumb as Windows 10 Home and Pro in S mode. Like, what the
Language!
Thankfully, you can disable it if you get irritated by this pop-up. This option was there in settings and then in the apps option. Last time on 1803 and below, the default option was install apps from anywhere, and on this recent update, you get this pop-up. That was dumb. Like, seriously, it is dumb. Microsoft, I like your effort on Windows 10, but your stupid move like advertising crap on an operating system makes people pissed. Like, seriously, people get pissed by that.
Oh god, I thought I'd be ready for this.
Anyway, what do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's gonna be about it for What the Hell Windows 10, and this is a little bit shorter than usual. Yeah, it's good to see the series came back. The sources about this type of topic can be found in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. So don't miss out on new videos like this by hitting the bell icon. TheTechOtaku signing out.